Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider the price started off on the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly did make a good move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at $1.45. Why is $1.45 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say if the price goes down, however, in this situation, behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps making very evident progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. As long as the price is progressing forward, that's what you want to see, and why $1.45 is important. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, key level going to be right up there around $1.83, which is where the price peaked out today. And then if you correspond that back to the history of things, you can see there's some other history where that general area was acting as resistance. So not saying the price can't break above there, just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling up around that area. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, great movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.